if you have been interested in magnetic lashes, specifically Glamnetic lashes, then just keep watching, because in today's video, we will be reviewing and trying out 3 different pairs of Glamnetic lashes, as well as their felt tip liner. If you are curious to know whether or not these lashes are worth it, are they better than falsies with glue, are they better than other magnetic lashes, do they last and actually stay on all day? If you are curious, then just keep watching. I love doing product review videos for you, and I love reviewing new makeup. So if you are also into that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like the video if you find that you are enjoying it. If you like falsies, like this video. If you are a really nice person and just love to give, then like this video. If you are a mean person, like this video, because you've got nothing to lose. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this video. We're going to start off by applying the Glamnetic Soo Future Magnetic Liner Pen in the color Deep Space. This liner retails for $34.39 on sale, and it's designed to give you the perfect wing and hold your lashes in place all day. It doesn't smudge, skip, or pull, and is quick drying. It says to apply 2 to 3 coats and wait for it to be 80% dry before applying the magnetic lashes. Today we'll be trying Lucky, Vacay, and Babygirl. These lashes are cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and made with synthetic fibers. They last for up to 60 uses, even longer if you properly care for them. The liner and lashes are waterproof and smudge-proof. They also have the world's first 6 magnetic lash, making them the magnetic lash with the most magnets. Lastly, these lashes also come with anchors. Anchors are used to sandwich the lashes together to ensure the lashes stay in place all day. You can also use anchors to apply the lashes without having to use eyeliner. I'll try to show you how these work later in the video. Now let's go ahead and try on these lashes. I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara. I'm just using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Doing this beforehand is going to help my natural lashes blend in better with the magnetic lashes. Now for the moment of truth. We're first gonna try the Lucky lashes. So as you could see, the lash just popped right on. I definitely will say that there is a, trial and error. So don't be alarmed or worried if you don't get it correct the first time. This is something you might have to do a few times to get it right. You are gonna have to feel for like exactly where to apply the lash, how much liner you should use. So it's something that practice makes perfect, but it doesn't take too long to get used to applying these lashes. I really love how these just literally popped on my eye. Okay, now depending on your eye shape, as you can see here, you might have this problem where the inner corner of your eye starts to pop off. This is where the anchors are going to come in handy. You just apply the anchors on the inner corner to prevent that from popping up. Later in this video, I'll show you how to use the anchors. This is the first set that I'm trying, so I just stayed with it. And as you can see, I'm trying my hardest to make this work. And sometimes in the beginning, it will stay on like that, but towards the end of the day, it will start to pop off on your inner corner. Honestly, this was one of the reasons why I didn't like these lashes when I first tried them on. But when I discovered the anchors and I actually tried them, it worked and my lashes stayed in place for the entire day. And so now I am completely like in love with these lashes. I also love how these lashes look. Like honestly, I have not used any magnetic lashes that look this good. To take them off, you just peel them off like this. Sometimes though, when you do this, as you could see, it will remove some of the eyeliner. So all you have to do is just go ahead and apply more eyeliner. And it's so easy to reapply the eyeliner. It won't like budge with the pre-existing eyeliner. It won't smudge or anything like that. So it's pretty easy. If you make a mistake, just take off the liner or take off the lash, apply some more liner, Let's start all over again. Here I am applying some more eyeliner over the sparse areas. As you can see, it just goes on so perfectly. Now we'll be trying on the Vacay pair of lashes. And as you can see, it does take a little bit of time to get these lashes on, but I feel like once you keep doing this, you probably will be able to just pop it on and do this a lot faster. The Vacay lashes are supposed to make you look like you're on vacation. Are you ready for an Instagram photo? What do you think? Okay, now I'm going to try out the anchors. The anchor is a very tiny piece of lash that you stick on in the inner corner of your eye, and it just clips on like that. Basically, these anchors are going to prevent the inner corner of my lash from popping out. They also come with an extra anchor that you can use to apply on the outer corners just to make it even more secure. The last pair of lashes we'll be trying are the Babygirl lashes. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like these lashes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in trying out any of Glamnetic lashes, I do have a discount code that I will link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another one. Bye!
Mm-hmm.